Google wants every page in its index to add value to the web, and it does not like pages that are created only to earn money from ads or from selling products. There are several kinds of thin content. There are software that can scrape other people's content and create websites with thousands of pages in just a few minutes. Each of these pages are laden with ads for various products and services. Needless to say, Google hates them with a passion. Doorway pages are another kind of thin content. The aim of doorway pages is not to provide quality content that users may be looking for, but to drive them to another site as soon as they land on the page. They often crowd the search results for specific search phrases, aiming to maximize the traffic they can siphon off from the search engine. Some websites do not use doorway pages but fill their sites with pages that are almost all copies of each other with very little unique content. Suppose a real estate marketing company creates a website with separate pages for every city they offered their services in, with the only difference between the different pages on the site being the city name. Those pages would not be adding any value to the web in Google's eyes. And then there are thin affiliate sites. These are sites that just grab the merchant's data feed and use that to populate their sites. The reason this is a problem is that there may be hundreds or even thousands of affiliates for every merchant, all doing the same thing. They are all creating websites with the exact same content because they all use the same feed from the same set of merchants. Each of those affiliate sites are just grabbing the same feeds from the merchants and putting them on their sites. That's a lot of duplicate content, and none of these affiliate sites add any value to the web. There are also affiliate sites that are filled with content purchased from article banks, spun content, or even just scraped content or syndicated content. These have no unique content of their own. The only aim of such sites is to get as much free traffic from the search engines as possible by having hundreds or even thousands of pages on their sites. None of these pages are unique, and they try to generate affiliate revenues from the traffic they may be getting. They copy content from other sites, put several affiliate links on each page, and then hope they'll be able to earn money from such sites. Google does not hate affiliate sites. What it does not like is affiliate sites that add no value to the web. It wants all websites, affiliate sites included, to add value to the web. Google wants to see genuine reviews, usable information, pros and cons of various products, and so on. A good example would be any Amazon page. Each product page has a detailed product description, images, and scores upon scores of reviews from real users who actually purchase the product. Each Amazon page provides a lot of useful and unique information about any product. Google wants to see that kind of content. Instead, if a site scrapes content or grabs a merchant's data feed and creates pages off of it, that kind of content is not unique and in many cases may not be useful either. On the other hand, an affiliate site with an original description, unique images or videos, a detailed product review, these kind of affiliate sites provide useful information that users may find helpful in making an informed buying decision, and Google values them. Affiliate sites that provide value perform well in Google. You would want to add your own insights, detailed product reviews, analysis, research, videos and images, stuff that makes your content very helpful to users. You want to add content that your users like and bookmark, content that excites them. That's the kind of pages that can rank high in Google.